The maritime sector, with its vast ocean and intricate logistics, is ripe for the integration of IoT. Internet of Things technology. IoT offers a myriad of applications that can revolutionize various aspects of maritime operation, from vessel management to safety and security, environmental monitoring, and beyond. This essay explored the potential application of IoT in the maritime sector and transformative impact it can have. Enhanced vessel monitoring and management. IoT-enabled sensor can be deployed throughout vessel to monitor various parameters in real time. The sensors can be track engine performance, fuel consumption, temperature, humidity, and more. By collecting and analyzing this data, ship operator can optimize maintenance schedule and reduce fuel consumption and prolong the lifespan of critical components. Remote monitoring capabilities allow from proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime and maximizing operational efficiency. Safety and security enhance. IoT devices play a crucial role in enhancing safety and security at sea. Sensor can detect hazards such as leak, fires, and unauthorized access and trigger immediate alerts to crew member and authorities. Additionally, IoT-enabled surveillance system can be monitor vessel movement and detect anomalies, helping to prevent collision and unauthorized incursion. These measures not only protect crew member and cargo but also contribute to overall maritime security. Optimized route and planning navigation. IoT technology provide real-time data on weather conditions, sea currents, and traffic patterns. Enable more accurate route planning and navigation by integrate this data with onboard navigation system. Vessel can choose the most efficient route, avoiding adverse weather and congestion. This optimization reduce fuel consumption, voyage during, and risk of accident, ultimately in providing operation efficiency and cost effectiveness. Cargo monitoring and logistic optimization. IoT sensor can track cargo throughout the supply chain, providing real-time visibility and monitoring of its location, condition, and status. This data enable more efficiency logistic management, allowing operator to optimize inventory levels to transmit time and minimize the risk of damage or those additional temperature and humidity sensor. Ensure and integrity perishable goods, enhancing the quality and safety of transported cargo. Environmental monitoring and compliance. IoT solutions play a crucial role in monitoring parameters such as emission, water quality, and marine life. By deploying sensor in sensitive areas, stakeholders can assess the impact of maritime activities on the ecosystem and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Real-time data collection and analysis facilitate proactive environmental management, helping to minimize pollution and mitigate the impact of maritime operation on marine ecosystem. Port operation optimization. IoT technology can streamline port operation by optimizing berth allocation, cargo handling vessel, and scheduling sensor installed in port monitor traffic, berth it availability, and cargo movement, allowing for more efficient resource allocations and improvement throughout automated system for cargo handling and custom clearance. Further enhance port efficiency, reducing waiting time and operational costs. In conclusion, the application of IoT in the maritime sector hold immense potential to revolutionize operation, enhance safety and security, optimize logistics, and promote environmental sustainability by leveraging real-time data and remote monitoring. Capabilities stakeholder can unlock new opportunities for innovation and efficiency, ultimately driving growth and competitiveness in maritime industry. As IoT technology continues to evolve, the integration into maritime operation will become increasing essential for staying ahead in every changing global marketplace.